Oh, hey. Sorry, you know how it takes a couple minutes to get the live feed going. I wanted to share with you one exercise today to help with the legs. Single leg squat, squat to single leg squat, okay? So I'm going to show you the front version, the side version, a little bit how you can modify it as well. Hopefully you can see me okay. I don't think me turning on a light is going to make that much of a difference, but we'll try. So keep in mind, you have to start somewhere, and the more you do it, the better you get. It is not about nailing the exercise the first time. And if it's easy, you can progress it to make it more challenging, and I'll give you those options as well. So feet hip width. If you need to have your feet a little bit wider, you may as well. So you're going to go into a squat as low as you can with proper form. You're going to come up a little bit. You're going to shift your leg, your body weight over. Might look like I'm exaggerating it. And then you're going to lift the other leg, squeeze the quad, single leg squat. Squat, shift to the other side, come up a little, single leg squat. So really the full move might look something like this. Squat, shift, squat, shift. Now you can choose to come all the way up, squat, shift, squat. I like to stay low, squat. So you're working on balance. Your core abs are engaged. Your chin is off your chest. You have wide collarbones. Turn the side view. Looks like this. Whew, I haven't done my workout, which is leg day. So I figured I'd do this first. Squat, shift, squeeze the quad, come down. Whoops, it's hard to do and talk. Squat, shift, squat. So you come up a little, squat. Come up a little, squat. Now, modification. You put the heel down. You sort of spot yourself. Whew, I'm out of breath. Sorry. So you would squat, shift, put your heel down a little. Come back center. Put your heel down a little. Come back center. Maybe you have to be up high when you squat. Maybe that's all you can manage. It's all good. But you're shifting the weight. So the weight goes squat, shift, little down. So you just spot yourself as much as you need to do the move. Your knees have to track over the middle of your toes, so you never want to squat with the knees going in or out. Whichever way your feet are pointed, that's where your knees need to go. And they need to stay back. So tailbone slightly reaches up, heart forward, chin off your chest, back your head presses to the ceiling so you have this nice neutral spine as you squat, shift, squat, shift, squat, shift, squeeze, shift. Slow and controlled. Go at a speed that works for you. You see a couple people on here. Hi, Lisa and Josie. So give it a try. Try to do it every 2 or 3 days. The more you do it, the better you get. If you have bad knees, you're not going to be able to lunge that low. Hey, sorry, my dogs are jumping on me. Just do your best. Now, progression. Oh, good Lord. I have 25-pound weights. I'm not picking those suckers up. You can use weights, right? Squat, squat, squat. Squeeze that muscle. Don't just go here and bend the knee. Really straighten that leg and lift it up a little. So you would squat, squat, squat with weights. You can also up off your shoulder with the weights. It can be a bar. Same thing. So that's a progression. Okay, so the regular move, body weight, progression, you would add weights. And if you need an option, put your heel down. Okay? Works on balance, core strength, hamstrings, a little bit of quad, a little bit of your seat. Please know that squats, primary movers are not the booty. They're the quads, okay? So if you want to build the booty, you got to do booty moves. Gluteal muscle moves, all right? It works it a little bit. I think I'm fuzzy. If you have any questions about the move, post them below. I'll answer them. Please share with others and inspire others. Let's all work out, be healthy and fit, feel better, all right? You guys have an awesome afternoon.